This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Maynard. Your new home can be nestled on a rolling lot in the wonderful lake community of Tellico Village. As said on the Tellico Village website, www.tellicovillage.org, it has become one of the premier senior planned active adult retirement communities in the Southeast. Its 3 private top-ranked championship golf courses offer outstanding play. Tellico Lake provides a pristine resource for boating, fishing, swimming, and waterfront living. An unparalleled number of high-quality amenities help residents enjoy a truly special and fulfilling active lifestyle. All reasons why it is important to remember that, when it comes to finding a dream retirement community in Tennessee, it's better at Tellico Village. For more information, review the details below or contact